Now, in a metareligious framework, do proponents of a particular religion have valid standing to proclaim that theirs is the one true faith?
Yes, but only with respect to core structure. Each religion can make a claim like that with respect to the metareligious framework in which all religions are embedded. If, on the other hand, a religion or its usurpers, such as they may be, deny this framework, then the religion is meaningless and without validity. Metareligious core structure is what gives any religion its validity and its standing. So it's really the one true faith. It's true for all and worthy of conformance by them. This is all that absolute truth could possibly mean if you think about it. However, faith alone is insufficient, as it won't stand without logic. As I've mentioned many times before, logic is necessary in order to identify that in which faith is invested. And so this is the basis of core structure. You can't have faith without identifying that in which you have faith, which requires logic. All right? So there is no faith without logic. That's what metareligion, that's what the core structure brings to religion that it doesn't currently have. Different religions can deny each other's doctrines and dogmas and affirm their own, which they do all the time, but they can't deny the core structure without gutting themselves or rendering themselves empty. Insofar as all religions share core structure, denying one religion on that level would amount to denying them all, and thus to denying the metalogical essence of absolute truth, which you can't do. If you do that, then you can't identify that in which you have faith, and you have no religion at all. Now, a lot of religions have an injunction against trying to gainsay or displace a single word written in Scripture. And anybody who tries to gainsay or tries to change anything that is written in this Bible or this body of Scripture is evil. And, you've got to resist them because that's coming from Satan. Very important to understand that metareligion does not do this. It takes Scripture for what it is. The idea is to interpret the Scripture in the metareligion. It's a framework for modeling, metaphysical modeling of Scripture. Every work of Scripture has an implicit metaphysical model. It talks about things like God and the human soul and the afterlife that can't be modeled without some kind of metaphysical framework. Okay, so that's what metareligion makes room for. Okay, the thing is, though, when you interpret a religion in this metareligious framework, it's strictly on the terms of that framework. The metareligion doesn't get to tell the framework how its dicta should be interpreted therein. You see, it's not up to the religion. It's up to the metareligion, because that's the logical part of it, you see. No mere faith is in a position to deny the logical terms in which the metareligion is formulated. Core structures where any rational religion must reside, and any religion that denies it departs from truth.